this is Ross here with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. Check us out on Facebook, Ross's Carpentry Inc., Ross's Woodworks, and I'm your local handyman. We take care of all your remodel needs, indoor, outdoor. Hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. If you need anything, contact us at 502-548-7462 or check us out on Facebook, check out our YouTube channel. Alright, so we've got the frame enlarged. We cut over this way. We had to cut out a 2x6 and put this one in over an 1 3/4 farther. We moved the top up, had to cut out to the top, and we're pretty much ready to set the door. I need to do a little bit of trimming up there yet. We are getting her done. We got the door in here. We got aluminum flashing on the outside to protect it from the water. Caulked it, sealed it. It's all sealed, waterproof. Now we need to put the screen door on it. And we put a 2x6 on the bottom here to support the threshold, and I wrapped it and caulked it. And we're ready for the screen door. Got the doors done here. Nice black exterior door. We have a nice interior door. It could use a coat of paint, but it looks nice. All done. If you need a door put in a trailer or house, we do that. I know Lowe's and Home Depot don't do that in mobile homes. This was a double wide, and we also resized it. What was in here was a 34 by, I don't know, it was short. So we widened it, plus we heightened it. It was just a matter of reframing. So we do that kind of thing. If you need that done, give us a call, 502-548-7462. Or check us out on Facebook. You can shoot us an email at rocarpentry@gmail.com. And we also do woodworks. We are your handyman services. God is good, sun is shining. Hey, this is Ross here with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. Check us out on Facebook, Ross's Carpentry Inc., Ross's Woodworks, and I'm your local handyman. We take care of all your remodel needs, indoor, outdoor. Hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. If you need anything, contact us at 502-548-7462 or check us out on Facebook, check out our YouTube channel.